I once thought that, at the very least, my shadow would always stay beside me forever. But when the dark times came, even my shadow disappeared. That's when I paused and thought deeply, why did it vanish? And then I realized, even your shadow needs light to exist. So I asked myself, what is this light? Is it a bulb? Is it the sun? Not quite. Then it hit me. This light is trust. Trust in something greater than yourself. Trust in something beyond human understanding. When you believe in that trust, you begin to shine from within. And that inner light, it not only brings your shadow back, it guides you through the darkness. Be the light. For yourself, for others. Because sometimes all someone needs is your light to find their own way.